Today I'm going to be talking about why your Wi-Fi sucks. But first, I'm Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and what are the worst places to install your Wi-Fi router? This is what we're going to be talking about today. You see, for many of you, Wi-Fi connectivity is going to be an ongoing problem, with many of you trying to figure out what the hell is going on. It's not necessarily your fault, but after these three details, maybe you'll have your router moved somewhere else in the home. Starting with the first basic detail of all routers. The signal is in the shape of a ball. There is no point putting your router in the corner of a home, allowing you access to only 25% of the entire sphere. The closer it is to the middle, the less money you're putting outside the home in the form of a Wi-Fi signal. So, installing in the middle of the home is the best thing you can do. The second issue is signal congestion. There are two causes, especially in the metropolitan area. If you're in a metropolitan area, you'll notice that many people are using the same frequency. This is especially true for the 2.4 gigahertz, and it's definitely becoming true at the 5 gigahertz spectrum. So using a channel that there are fewer people on is going to get you to have a better experience. But also, keeping your router away from microwaves and other cordless devices. You see, you can have overlap from other devices that are not necessarily accessing the same exact channels, but they will cause interference. So keep them away from other wireless devices and make sure you're on a channel that has fewer people. And the third most common issue, which is usually caused by the installation technician, is electromagnetic interference. You see, some of your routers are installed in the corners of houses or in the basement because their normal protocol is to install it beside the breaker box, which emits electromagnetic interference that seriously diminishes the range as well as the stability of your Wi-Fi signal. Transformers are also a big problem. Anything with a big power source that draws a lot of power will emit a pretty intense electromagnetic signal that will screw around with your Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure that you are nowhere near one of these things. So next time a technician comes over, have them move your wireless router from that dank, dark, EMI infested area to the middle of your house, where you will have a much better experience with your Wi-Fi in your home. Now, like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com, for things like the show notes to this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course, use the contact form to email me directly. And you can always go to twitch.tv/zaxis1981 to see me play video games such as Assassin's Creed Odyssey, and maybe something else really, really soon. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.